Hello students, let us continue with our English grammar revision. Question 4a, fill in the blanks with prepositions. Let us revise. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation in which the person or a thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. Subject is used in the beginning of a sentence. Preposition tells us about the position of a subject in the sentence. Let us start with the exercise. Question 4a, fill in the blanks with prepositions. Number 1, the kid sat beside her mother. So now in this sentence, the word beside is used as a preposition as it tells about the position of the kid that is beside her mother. Number 2, the money is inside the locker. So in this sentence, the word inside is used as a preposition as it tells us about the position of the money that is inside the locker. Number 3, Anil forgot his notebook at home. In this sentence, the word at is used as a preposition as it shows the relation in which the person or a thing denoted by a noun stands to something else. Number 4, the teacher was happy with my results. In this sentence, the word with is used as a preposition as it shows the relation of a person with the noun which denotes to something else. Fifth one, Ben is different from his brother. So in this sentence, the word from is used as a preposition as it shows the relation in which the person is denoted by the noun stands to something else. Sixth one, the cat sat under the table. So over here the word under is used as a preposition as it shows or tells us about the position of the cat that is under the table. Seventh number, the rat was killed by the servant. Over here the word by is used as a preposition as it shows the relation in which the person or a thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. Eighth number, the girl sat on the chair. Over here the word on is used as a preposition as it shows or tells us the position of the girl with the chair that is on the chair. So in all these sentences, words like beside, inside, at, with, from, under, by and on. All these words are known as prepositions as they are used to show the relation in which the person or a thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. Now next, 9 number, pour the milk into the jug. So in this sentence, the word into is used as a preposition as it shows the position of the milk into the jug, or we can say movement. 10th number, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is on 2nd October. Over here the word on is used as a preposition. 11th number, the train arrived on time. So in this sentence the word on is used as a preposition for the sentence. 12th number, the famous restaurant is behind the museum. Over here the word behind is used as a preposition as it shows or tells us about the position of the famous restaurant that is behind the museum. So behind will be the preposition used in this sentence. 13th number, the child ran across the road. Over here the word across is used as a preposition as it shows or tells us about the position of the child that is across the road. So across will be the preposition which is used for this sentence. 14th number, Sarah is fond of singing. Sarah is fond of singing. So in this sentence the word of is used as a preposition. 15th number, the water came above our knees. Over here the word above is used as a preposition as it shows or tells us about the position of the water above our knee. So above will be preposition which is used in this sentence. So in all these sentences, words like into, on, behind, across, off and above, all these words are used as prepositions as they shows the relation in which the person or a thing denoted by the noun stands to something else.